First calls for an investigation answered tonight. A brand new twist in the controversy surrounding the Pinal County Sheriff.
There are now two separate probes looking into Paul Babeu, and both are stemming from allegations that he threatened to deport an ex-boyfriend. ABC 15's Steve Kuj is live at the Attorney General's office.
And Steve, Sheriff Babeu personally asked Horn to investigate here.
Yeah, but he wasn't Sheriff Babeu's first choice. You see, originally Babeu went to the Gila County Attorney's office to have them lead up this investigation, but apparently they didn't have the proper resources to do it justice, which is why we now have Tom Horn, the Attorney General, stepping in here. Sheriff Babeu's ex-boyfriend, Jose Orozco, claims Babeu said he would deport him if he told anyone about his personal life and sexuality. Now, the biggest questions Horn's investigators will have to answer here are if Jose was living and working in the country legally, and also, did Babeu abuse his power? As the top law enforcement office in the state, Horn said he couldn't pass the buck to anybody else, but he will have to sit out.
I wouldn't personally take any part in the decision-making. Somebody else in our office would be the final authority as to what the decisions were, so that no one would think politics were involved, because Paul Babeu and I have been political supporters of each other.
There are others investigating Babeu. His own Pinal County has acquired a task force of a number of different Arizona county attorneys.
Pinal County is seen as a place where law enforcement does the right thing. As part of the law enforcement community, I'm trying to do the right thing here.
Well, this investigation will begin tomorrow. Both sides say this could take weeks or even months to come to a final conclusion. Steve? Stephanie?
It'll be interesting to see the timing on that given the election year. Thank you so much, Steve.
Meantime, the ABC 15 investigators reading through Babeu's personnel file tonight. Before he was Pinal County Sheriff, he worked for 5 years as a Chandler police officer. Babeu has no discipline on record during that time. He was given 2 life-saving awards, and he asked to leave the department in the summer of 2008 to run for sheriff. We've also requested to see Babeu's current personnel file and copies of his military service.